Thanks to smart planting technologies and well-developed processing capacity, ginger businesses in Laiwu in East China's Shandong province has gone global. With about 2,000 years history of ginger cultivation, Laiwu boasts 156 varieties of the spice and over 900 companies involved in the processing industry. The smart greenhouse has greatly saved labor and boosted productivity. Only 4 people could manage 20 greenhouses.
现在在这里的大棚吧，全是自动化，这个有喷管，有滴管，这个达到水水一体化，这个达到这个高效农业。
Nowadays, over 130 varieties of gingers produced in Laiwu have been exported to over 100 countries and regions. Last year, Laiwu exported 114,200 tons of ginger and ginger-related products, with an export value of 1.38 billion yuan.
以生姜为主的出口、加工、流通企业达到240余家，全球70%的姜片来自于我们莱芜，高附加值的生姜产品出口比例不断的增加。